ज्ञान सेतु की इस अंतिम कड़ी में आपका स्वागत है। जिंदगी के सफर की चुनौतियों को पार करता आर्यन जीवन के उस दोराहे पर आकर खड़ा हो गया जहां उसके सामने दुविधा का सागर अटखेलियां मार रहा था। विषय चयन की दुविधा उसे एक अनोखे रास्ते पर नितांत अकेला कर चली जा रही थी।
गुम हो गया, वक्त से चुराया था जो अपना बनाया था। ओ तेरा वो मेरा, वक्त से चुराया था जो सपना सजाया था।
चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, आंखें भीनी ये भीनी ये भीनी, यादें जीनी रे जीनी रे जीनी। चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, चदरिया जीनी रे जीनी, आंखें भीनी ये भीनी ये भीनी, यादें जीनी रे जीनी रे जीनी।
आर्यन की यह दुविधा इतनी गहरी हो गई कि उसने आर्यन के सपनों में भी घर कर लिया। थक कर आर्यन कक्षा में ही सो गया। कक्षा में जब आर्यन गहरी नींद में था तो उसके सपनों में एक अनोखी सभा सजी। एक ऐसी सभा जहां हर विषय एक पात्र बनकर अपनी श्रेष्ठता को सिद्ध करने आया था। तो चलिए देखते हैं कि आर्यन का अंतर्द्वंद उसे कहां लेकर जाता है।
मैं इतिहास हूं, जब मिट्टी ने पहला मानव गढ़ा, जब जंगल से निकलकर उसने आग जलाई। मैं था उस धुएं में जहां उसकी पहली आशा चमकी। मैं था सिंधु के किनारे जहां सभ्यता ने पहली सांस ली। फिर वेद गूंजे मेरे गगन में। मैं था उन शब्दों में जो युगों युगों तक समाए। मैं था अशोक के थम में। गुप्त युग ने सोने के अक्षरों में मेरा नाम लिखा। अकबर की सहिष्णुता में, ताजमहल के प्रेम गीत में मैं था। मुझे लूटा जा सकता था, मिटाया नहीं। आंधियां आई पर मैं कभी नहीं झुका। फिर आया अंग्रेजी हुकूमत का तूफान, गांधी का चरखा घूमा और मैं फिर चल पड़ा। आज मैं चंद्रयान हूं, इसरो का अभिमान हूं। मैं कोड भी लिखता हूं, रामायण भी जानता हूं। मैं कल भी था, मैं आज भी हूं। भविष्य ही लिख रहा हूं, क्योंकि मैं इतिहास हूं, इतिहास हूं, अमर। अनंत, अपार।
ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार, ये कौन चित्रकार है,
ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार।
तपस्वियों सी है अटल ये पर्वतों की चोटियां, ये सर्प सी घुमेरदार घेरदार घाटियां, ध्वजा से ये खड़े हुए, ध्वजा से ये खड़े हुए हैं वृक्ष देवदार के, गलीचे ये गुलाब के, बगीचे ये बहार के। ये किस कवि की कल्पना, ये किस कवि की कल्पना का चमत्कार है। ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार, ये कौन चित्रकार है,
ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार।
I am geography, the canvas of our existence. My kingdom spans the globe, from the majestic mountains to the vast oceans. I am the sovereign of landscapes, the ruler of cultures, and the keeper of secrets. My subjects are diverse, from the bustling cities to the serene countryside. I know the intricacies of every climate, the rhythms of every culture, and the stories of all. I am the bridge between the earth and its inhabitants. For I am geography, the queen. This is my kingdom. Come embrace me, Aryan.
Well, I am Miss Universe English, the universal language of communication. I am not just a subject, but a tool, a medium to easy information from one generation to another. I am the flame that spreads light, and I carry your wisdom to the world. Make me your voice. You will become the light of learning.
है भाषा मेरे मन की, भाषा तेरे भी मन की। हिंदी है अपनी बोली, सुनो साथी संगी हम जोली। कानों में मिश्री घोले जब भी कोई हिंदी बोले। है भाषा ये भारत की, भारत के जन जन की। हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान, हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तान। बोलो चाहे जो बोली, मगर तुम याद हमेशा रखना। बोलो चाहे जो बोली, हिंदी से नाता रखना। है छोटी सी ये बात मगर तुम याद हमेशा रखना। हिंदुस्तानी गर हो तुम, हिंदी है तुम्हारा कहना।
आर्यन, तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है? हम ही तुम्हारा भविष्य हैं।
हम हिंदी संस्कृत दोनों बहनें केवल विषय ही नहीं बल्कि भविष्य की नींव है। आर्यन, आर्यन आओ, हम मिलकर इस धरोहर का आलिंगन करें। आओ आओ।
I am science, the reason behind all discoveries and inventions. I am everywhere, in the air that you breathe, the food that you eat, the medicine you take, and the technology that you use. I have touched every corner of human life. I give you the courage to ask questions and the wisdom to seek answers. Come, Aryan, come to me. Together we will solve the mysteries. Solve the mysteries.
Do you dream of flying high, way up in the sky? Become a scientist and learn just how to help the rockets fly. Or be a doctor helping people, keeping them so strong. STEM careers are everywhere, come and join along. Science, tech, engineering, math, a world of fun is on your path. Solve big problems, build and play. In STEM careers you'll lead the way.
Hey there, young man. It is me, Mathematics. I am the king of logic. I am the one who helps you understand the universe. From simplest addition to the most complex calculations. I am fun. I am useful. I am challenging. I will open doors to new opportunities. So come Aryan, and join the Mathematics family.
दो मुर्गी तेरी, दो मुर्गी मेरी, चार तेरे मामे की। सात सुर में जो तीन ताल मिले, धुन बने गाने की। दुनिया है सारी नंबरों से बनी, बक्से से बाहर निहार। हम न जरा भी कीड़े किताबी, टेंशन मत ले आ। बोलो बेटा 1 2 3 4। पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं, पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं, पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं। तो डरना क्या मेरे यार, बोलो बेटा। पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं, ये क्लास है कोई जेल नहीं। तू पास नहीं तो फेल नहीं, तू टेंशन मत ले यार।
Yo, you wanna be an accountant? Think it over, it ain't easy, you might need a folded clover. If you ain't willing to work hard, then can it? It's the most sought after job on this planet. Now, you tell me, you wanna be an impartial judge of my solvency. Now tell me you want to protect the world from corporate fraudulency. Now, all that sounds like fun, son, but you gotta walk before you can run. To know what these numbers mean, you gotta know the debit credit theory.
Debit on the left, credit on the right. Debit left, credit right, debit left, credit right. For complete satisfaction, balance all of your transactions.
Hey, Aryan. I am accounts. Life is all about credit and debit. So, embrace me.
सभी विषय अपनी अपनी महत्वता, अपनी अनिवार्यता और शिक्षा में अपने योगदान का बखान कर रहे थे। आर्यन का मन उलझन के महासागर में गोते खा रहा था। विज्ञान ने अपनी खोजों और आविष्कारों का दम भरा तो गणित ने तर्क और सटीकता की दुहाई दी। सामाजिक ज्ञान ने समाज की नींव होने का दावा किया तो अंग्रेजी ने वैश्विक भाषा होने का गौरवगान किया। हिंदी ने अपनी मधुरता और संस्कृत की जड़ें होने की बात कही।
As time came to select his subjects, Aryan felt torn between his interests and aspirations, unsure of which path to follow. When all the subjects were proving themselves to be superior, artificial intelligence made its presence known.
आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ने किसी से बहस नहीं की, किसी को नीचा नहीं दिखाया। उसने बड़े ही तार्किक ढंग से समझाया कि वह आज के युग का सूत्रधार है।
My dear friends, I am not here to replace you, but to connect you. English may be powerful, but not everyone speaks it. I can translate instantly. Maths may be logical, but I help people explain formulas in simple ways. Science may be complex, but I simplify it. And history, your stories can reach the world in every language just because of me. And my dear Hindi and Sanskrit, I help in unraveling the mysteries of Vedas and Purans. Well, accountancy, I assist in improving accuracy, detecting frauds, and providing valuable insights. So Aryan, integrate me in all your subjects. The present world is the world of artificial intelligence. Accept the fact and integrate me, AI, in your life.
पहली बार है जी, इस कदर किसी की दिल सवार है जी। जिसकी आस में हूँ सुबह से दोपहर, शाम को उसी का इंतजार है जी। होश है जरा जरा खुदार है जी, छेड़ के गया वो ऐसे दिल के तार है जी। पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी, पहली बार है जी।
Generative AI.
मुझसे पूछे घर कहाँ है, मुझसे आके दस्तक पूछे दर कहाँ है, राह ऐसी जिनकी मंजिल है नहीं, ढूंढो मुझे अब मैं रहता हूँ वहीं, दिल है कहीं और धड़कन है कहीं, सांसें हैं मगर क्यों जिंदा मैं नहीं।
आर्यन, आर्यन, ओ आर्यन, उठ। क्या हुआ तुझे? तबीयत तो ठीक है तेरी?
हाँ यार, सो क्यों रहा है इस समय?
अरे रिया, मैं तो कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ कि कौन सा सब्जेक्ट लूँ, ये सब्जेक्ट लूँ या वो, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है। लेकिन मैं देख रहा हूँ तेरे चेहरे पर कोई परेशानी नहीं है। तुम लोग इतने शांत और कॉन्फिडेंट कैसे हो? आर यू नॉट कंफ्यूज्ड लाइक मी? तुम्हें कोई टेंशन नहीं है क्या?
अरे टेंशन तो तब होगी ना जब हम सब्जेक्ट किसी और के लिए लेंगे। सब्जेक्ट हमें जो चुनना होगा, यानी जिसमें हमारा दिल चाहेगा, हम तो वही सब्जेक्ट लेंगे जिसे पढ़ने में हमें मजा आता हो। क्यों रोहन?
हाँ रिया, एक सब्जेक्ट ही तो लेना है, इसमें मुश्किल ही क्या है। तू दिमाग से नहीं, आराम से सोच।
कहना बहुत आसान है दोस्तों। मम्मी डॉक्टर बनाना चाहती हैं और पापा इंजीनियर। अब मैं मम्मी पापा को कैसे समझाऊं? मैं ना डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हूं और ना ही इंजीनियर।
I think, Aryan, you should talk to your parents. At times, your parents are your best counselors. So go home, relax, and talk to them.
Yes, I think you are right, bro.
Aryan, what's the matter? Looking upset?
Papa, I am in a dilemma as to which subject I should take. You want me to go for science stream, but I feel humanities suits me more than science.
But science has so many career options, as if the world is open to you. You can be a doctor, an engineer, a researcher, and what not. So why not to take it up?
I know, Papa, but my interest lies in literature, history, and geography. When I study these subjects, I feel excited and not overburdened.
I mean, I just want your future to be secured.
I understand your concern, Papa, but times are changing. Humanities also has vast opportunities like journalism, civil services, judiciary, and many more. My school counselor has told me this.
You make a fair point, Aryan. I am proud of you. Whatever you choose, I'll support you. But remember, every subject demands discipline and effort.
Oh, I was reading the other day that under NEP 2020, you can opt for any subjects from other streams also. You can have a combination of any stream.
Oh, that's great.
We are happy with your choice.
Thank you, Mama Papa. I promise I will work hard and surely make you proud.
सुनता बातें ये नादानी से
चीरे, अब सात समंदर पीरे, चल सात सुरों में कर दे ये ऐलान। हिम्मत है तो रोको और जुर्रत है तो मानो, रे आज हथेली में रखती है जान। खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून, खून में तेरे मिट्टी, मिट्टी में तेरा खून। ऊपर अल्लाह नीचे धरती, बीच में तेरा जुनून, रे सुल्तान।
The walls of doubt, fear, and confusion disappear as the father sees a spark in his son. The journey of choice now became lighter for both father and son. Now they walk hand in hand across the very same bridge. This bridge is not just a symbol of our personal achievements. It is a pathway towards a brighter and more compassionate society. When we take part in good deeds like tree plantation, cleanliness drives, and helping others, we become the bridge that connects responsibility with humanity. So let us all come together and build a bridge of culture and compassion, founded on empathy, love, trust, and unity. This is the true message of Gyan Setu, the bridge of knowledge. Our school is the very foundation of this bridge. It guides us from curiosity to understanding, from learning to wisdom, and from dreams to achievement. It connects our present to our future, preparing us to build new bridges of progress, compassion, and hope, not just for us, but also for the many generations to come.
ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर।
है ठान लिया हमने, सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना है। ठान लिया हमने, सूरज सा जलना है, सपनों को दो परवाज़ अगर उड़ने की तमन्ना
है ठान लिया, ठान लिया। ऊंचे रहे जो तेरे कद से इरादे, तो ये फलक मगरूर। बेबस होके तेरे यार दिखेगा मजबूर।
A truly inspiring and thought-provoking act, beautifully reflecting that harmony in life is achieved when we choose to build bridges, not barriers. Audience, let's give a huge round of applause for this remarkable presentation.
Kindly note, owners of the vehicles parked near the main gate, RJ14XC 0714 and DL3CB U5796 are requested to kindly move their vehicle to avoid blockage. I repeat, owners of the vehicles RJ14XC0714 and DL3CBU 5796 parked near the main gate are requested to kindly move their vehicle to avoid blockage.
Wisdom is the light that guides us through the corridors of experience. We now have the honor of inviting Reverend Father Edward Oliveira, the Vicar General of Jaipur Diocese, to share his insights and inspiring reflections with us.
Dear Bishop Joseph Kallarikal, the President of the Society, dear Bishop Oswald Lewis, the former President and presently the one who is guiding our diocese, my dear Father Paul Pulikal, the Principal of the school, Father Sibi, the Vice Principal, fathers, sisters, my dear parents, and my very, very dear students. Right in the beginning, I would like to say, we were all mesmerized this evening, sitting over here. No one felt like going from here because the beginning till the end, it was indeed something enriching, both for our mind and for our emotions. A long journey of bridges. Right in the beginning, I would like to congratulate all these people, not only our students, but the teachers behind who helped, and every one of them. On behalf of all of us gathered here, let us give them a loud applause, kindly. जिंदगी एक चुनौती है. हम लोगों ने आज शाम को देखा कि जैसे उन्होंने उनको बताया अपने मम्मी को, आपके समय ये नहीं था, मेरे समय पर ये नहीं था, और आप लोग जो बहुत लोग यहाँ बैठे हो ये सब नहीं था. लेकिन पिछले कई दिनों से, कितने सालों से सब कुछ बदल चुका है. पहले रास्ता आसान था क्योंकि हमें मंजिल मालूम थी, कहाँ जाना, क्या चुनना. लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं है. ना केवल इन बच्चों के लिए बल्कि हम लोगों के लिए भी इतना आसान नहीं है. Emotions and intelligence, we get caught over there. What we should do, what we should not do, which bridge we should take and which bridge we should not take. It needs vivekta, it needs discernment, and that is very, very difficult. But it is not impossible. As we have seen right in the beginning, we are the prize giving. We have excellent students coming over here, which means they also had the same problem, and they passed through these bridges, they crossed over, and as we saw today at the end of this drama, that was so well choreographed, and not only that, everything was brought there to show us that life एक जटिलता की समस्या है, लेकिन नामुमकिन नहीं है, सब कुछ मुमकिन है. और मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि ये स्कूल में मैं बहुत साल रह चुका हूँ, और मैंने ये कोऑपरेशन यहाँ पर देखा है, और इतने इंटेलिजेंस टीचर्स भी यहाँ पर है. मैंने फादर से पूछा, निधि पंत मैम जो है उन्होंने इसका स्क्रिप्ट लिखा है और दूसरे टीचर्स मिलकर किया है, उन लोगों को भी मैं तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से उनका अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूँ. My dear parents, as you all would have known, that you know it, that life has become a difficult way to move forward. Everything is available today, but we don't know what to choose and to cross which bridge and why to bridge. That is where it becomes difficult. And there are people who are leading us astray. That is the biggest problem. Besides this, there are many, many other things which lead us astray. And therefore, as Bishop pointed out right in the beginning, we need the help of our parents right in the beginning. We cannot leave them. Our parents, our teachers, our well-wishers, our friends in the school, everyone else have to be part of this entire family, so-called. The schooling is not just the school. Schooling is entire school, from the beginning till the end. And then only we can get the best out of it. मैं सचमुच कहता हूँ, हम लोगों ने ये देखा है और यहाँ पर हमने विटनेस भी किया है, और हमने देखा कि जो इंटेलिजेंस हमारा है वो सफिशिएंट नहीं है. हमारी भावनाएं भी जुड़ी हुई हैं, और जो कल्चर हमारे बीच में आ रहा है उसे पार करके हमें आगे बढ़ना है, तो हमें सोचना पड़ता, विवेकता यूज करना पड़ता है, तभी हम ये कर सकते हैं। लेकिन जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, सब कुछ मुमकिन है अगर हम ईश्वर हमारे साथ है, क्योंकि इन सब को अचीव करने के बाद हमें एक सच्चा इंसान बनना है। ये सबसे जरूरी है। जो इंसान बनकर सब कुछ हासिल कर देता है वो इंसान नहीं है, बल्कि एक मियर पशु है, इंटेलिजेंट पशु, बस इतना ही है। ये हमें नहीं बनना है। इसलिए ज्योति से ज्योति हमें चमकना है और ज्योति से दूसरों को चमकाना है, तो यहाँ पर हमने सीखा है। सो ऑन बिहाफ of God gathered here, I really congratulate every student who came over here, every single students, and everyone who helped to build up such a beautiful play, and also all other items that were there. May God bless this school. It has done wonderfully in the last 38 years. It has been growing from step to step, strength to strength in every manner. And I've been a witness to this for a long time. And now I truly believe we are moving to that end with which God has called us. Remember Father Raymond Coelho, who started this, and all other fathers, sisters, and teachers who brought this forward. And I remember every single teacher who has helped this, also the past and the present, and all those who have really developed this school. May God bless you all, and may this school grow from strength to strength, and may it shine through that great patron of the school, Saint Anselm. He said, his motto was this: pleasing to God and pleasing to all the people. He was a great intellectual who is actually the patron of the school. May God bless all of us. Thank you, and God bless you.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father. Your words and profound thoughts have truly inspired us. We are deeply grateful for your guidance and the vision you continue to impart.
What a delightful journey this evening has been, filled with creativity, inspiration, and celebration of spirit. As we near the conclusion of our annual day, it's time to acknowledge every hand and heart that contributed to its success. As rightly quoted, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. To extend this heartfelt gratitude, we invite Ms. Twinkle Lucas Robin to propose the vote of thanks.
शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार
What an incredible and powerful finish. The stage is lit with energy and talent. Let's hear it one last time for all our wonderful students.
What a delight! What a delightful journey this evening has been, filled with creativity, inspiration, and celebration of spirit. As we near the conclusion of our annual day, it's time to acknowledge every hand and heart that contributed to its success. As rightly quoted, gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. To extend this heartfelt gratitude, we invite Ms. Twinkle Lucas Robin to propose the vote of thanks.
As I stand before you tonight, I'm deeply moved by the scene around me. The place brimming with applause, faces aglow with pride and joy, and the beaming smiles of our young students that light up the evening. Witnessing this moment fills me with profound gratitude. Randy Pausch once said,
Hello.
showing gratitude is one of the simplest yet most powerful things humans can do for each other. And this evening, I have been given this wonderful opportunity to express this greatest of all virtues. A pleasant evening to all the respected dignitaries, dear staff members, parents, and students. As we conclude this memorable, one-of-a-kind evening, first and foremost, we bow our heads in gratitude to the Almighty for showering His blessings upon us, making this occasion possible. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to each of you for making the 38th School Annual Day themed Bridges of Life, Innocence to Inspiration, a resounding success. To our revered Bishop, Right Reverend Dr. Joseph Kalorikal, President, Gyandeep Education Society, your visionary leadership, guidance, and unwavering support have been instrumental in promoting education and empowering the next generation. Your dedication to the society's growth and well-being is truly inspirational, and we are privileged to have you at the helm. Thank you, dearest Bishop. We express our deepest gratitude to the guests of honor, Bishop Emeritus, Right Reverend Bishop Oswald Lewis, and Reverend Father Edward Oliveira, Vicar General of the Jaipur Diocese, for their profound impact on our institution and community. We are forever grateful for their tireless efforts in nurturing spiritual growth, promoting education, and serving those in need. Your legacy continues to inspire and motivate us. Thank you, dear Bishop Oswald and dear Father Eddie, as we lovingly call you, for your selfless service and for touching countless lives. To all the revered priests and sisters, principals of various institutions of the Anselm's fraternity, we extend our heartfelt gratitude for gracing our occasion with your presence. Your dedication to education, service, and spiritual guidance is truly inspiring. We are honored to have you with us and appreciate your contributions to society. A heartfelt thanks to Principal Reverend Father Paulachan Pulakal, Vice Principal Reverend Father Sibi Matthew, the manager of our school, Reverend Father Vishal Martha, Reverend Father Melvin and Sister Nirmal Mary, for your vision, guidance and dedication have been instrumental in making this event a grand success. We appreciate your tireless efforts in ensuring that every detail was meticulously planned and executed. Thank you for your passion, commitment, and inspiration. To the teaching fraternity, our dedication, expertise, and hard work in designing this function, training, and managing our students are truly commendable. A word of gratitude to each one of us for holding our institution strong. To our office staff, your readiness to help and support throughout this event has been invaluable. Thank you for your behind-the-scene efforts. To our helping staff, your hard labor and commitment in ensuring the smooth conduct of this function are deeply appreciated. You are the backbone of our institution's operations. To our choreographers, thank you for bringing out the best in our students and making the performances truly unforgettable. To our stage, light, sound, and screen team, the Palam Sound team, to our photographer, Mr. Ashok and team, your expertise in creating the perfect ambience has enhanced the entire experience. Thank you for your technical wizardry. And finally, to you, our dear parents and students, you are the foundation of this success story. Your love, support, and enthusiasm are the driving forces behind our efforts. Thank you for being the pillars of strength and inspiration. As we continue to walk across the bridges of life, may the innocence of our beginnings join hands with the inspiration of our dreams, guiding us towards a brighter, more hopeful tomorrow. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request all of you to stand for the national anthem. May I now request all of you to stand for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
We request the students to remain in their respective places until the dignitaries leave. I repeat, we request the students to remain in their respective places until the dignitaries leave.